What's going on, guys? Shua back, opening more packs. I want to give a huge shout out to one of my best friends, Dustin. Got me 2 of these tins, tin 2-packs from Costco. I would have never expected him to buy me cards, so this is awesome of him, and I'm really appreciative of it. Thank you very much. I have no idea what's in these, so let's just get right into them and see what we get. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment. Hope you enjoy. Okay. Tin numero uno. We got 5 packs. Paldea Evolved. Meh. Paldea Evolved. Silver Tempest. Sword and Shield, not bad. Anything Sword and Shield, I'll take. 3 Silver Tempests and 2 Paldea Evolved. That's not too bad. A small Miraidon tin. Let's see what we get with that. 4 packs. We get Paldea Evolved. Paldea Evolved. Same with that. Okay. I see it. I see the pattern. Again, thank you to Dustin. It was a big surprise that he got me these. Here's the code cards from each of the tins. As you can see, I backed up the box, put it on a little folding table. See if it makes it any harder. It was pretty hard to begin with because I only made like 6, but we have 2 more Silver Tempests than we do Paldea Evolved. So I'll start with Silver Tempests and just go back and forth. Petalil, Pikachu, Growlithe, Clink, Wailmer, Crobat, Gardevoir, Fighting Energy, Serena, Sigilyph, Gym Trainer. No idea what it was. Double star, double rare. Gardevoir, Crobat. Nothing crazy. Almost. Paldea Evolved pack numero uno. That felt right. Combi, Glamet, Frigibax, Tandemaus, Heracross, Kilowattrel, Azumarill, Phalanx, common, Magnemite, common, Veluza, holographic, Silver Tempest. A lot of nice cards in this set. The Lugia being the best one, obviously. Durant, Emolga, Beldum, Stunfisk, Snorunt, Wailmer, I don't know why. Fire Energy, Kirlia, Venomoth, Wallace, Wailmer, Superior V. Alright. Take that. I guess we'll take any hit out of Silver Tempest because neither of these sets are great. Was that held it? I don't know where I'm at right now. Three minutes in and I already forgot which packs I'm opening. Jesus. Dragonair,
Dr. Croak, Jinx, Relicanth, Hawlucha, Togedemaru, 1, Petalil, Pikachu, Anorith, so we get level again, non-holographic. Alright. Yeah, the same now. I'm gonna open 2 Silver Tempests in a row. Yep. Ooh. Alright, Paldea evolved. I'll take that. Totally did. Oh, okay. Double banger. Damn. Let's go. Alright. Very nice. That's pretty cool. I did the card trick wrong and never punished. I guess I should sleeve those. Silver Tempest. Come on, Lugia. Need a big pull. I haven't had a big pull in a long time. Probably since that Mewtwo. Indeedy. Marini. Mischievous. Swablu. Oh, there's something there. There's something there. Swirlix. Superior. Trainer Gallery. Nice. So we got the full art and, well, yeah, whatever. V. And the Trainer Gallery. Zygarde. Non-holographic. Lefty. Not great. Not gonna make one of these. Oh, that was on a bounce. How they evolved. Oops. Phalanx. Jigglypuff. Focus on the cards. Tadpole. Girafarig. Gravii. Pincurchin. Zweilous. Rookidee reverse. Litleo reverse. Squawkabilly EX. Ooh, made that reverse in the box. Okay, Squawkabilly EX. Not bad, not bad. Paldea Evolved is actually treating us pretty well. Pretty well. Silver Tempest. Zubat, Elgium, Fungus, Sandygast, Radiant, Alakazam, Talonflame, non-holographic. Let's go Raichu. Torracat, and a pile of sand. Paldea Evolved. Keep treating us well. Keep treating us well. We love it. We love it, love it, love it. Shinx, Rookidee, Pikachu, Florigato, Mausol, Tinkertuff, Mankey. Okay. Whoop! Faulkner, Reverse, Rabiska, holographic. Alright. Cool. less than desirable. Silver Tempest. See what on this one. Duosion, V-Guard Energy, Hypno, Fennekin, Beldum, Baltoy, Sunkern, Fanpea, Malamar, Trainer Gallery, and a Mawile V Full Art. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Double banger. Love to see it. That was, well, alright, Silver Tempest. Alright. See you. See what Paldea Evolve has. See if it can come back with a vengeance. We did it on that one. Do it on this one. I messed it up. That's a reverse holographic rare. Oh, Rookie D illustration rare. Let's go. Boss's Orders holographic. That is a sick artwork. I love it. Love it. How they evolved, coming in clutch. Thank you, Dustin. These tins are actually fire. All right, we got this down. It changes. It changes between the two packs. That's why I keep messing it up. Archie Ferrothorn, Vulpix, Emolga, Chimecho, Bunnery, Drowsy, Reverse Brandon Trainer, Rapidash holographic. Almost there. Paldea Evolved. These are like almost like God packs. Jeez, the pile of holes I have next to me is ridiculous. I haven't had an opening like this ever. It's just one thing. This is Paldea Evolved. It's just one card. I almost messed it up again. Kufont, Krogunk, Citadel, Shroodle, Arctibax, Giacomo, Talonfane, Great Ball Reverse, Calamitous Wasteland Reverse, Gyarados Holographic. So, well, not God packs. Not all of them. Just a lot of them. Silver Tempest. Nada. There we go. Ready? 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 Alright, we got one. We got one. It was the very last one, thank God. Enough practice shots, jeez. Paldea Evolved. Let's get it. It's just one. Sure. It's just one. Tinkatink. Pincurchin. Pinchurchin. Makuhita. Magikarp. Reversal Energy. Therapeutic Energy. Choice Belt. Croagunk. Meryl. Sableye. Holographic. That's on the box. Silver Tempest. This is our second to last Silver Tempest pack. We have one more Paldea Evolved. This is 4 because it's Sword and Shield. Primordial Altar. Dedenne. Braixen, Petalil, Chinchou, Ferroseed, Pikachu, Ponyta, Croagunk. Oh, that was sick. I hope that card. That was awesome. Zeraora non-holographic. How'd they evolve? It's one. Darkness, Relor, Tadbulb, Frigabax, Tandemouse, Corvisquire, nope, Corviknight, Dunsparce, Pupitar, Frigabax, Flamigo, Illustration Rare, the Dancing Bird. Let's go. Another Gyarados holographic. Woo! How they evolved. Let's go. Last pack magic for how they evolved. Boom! Woo! Come on, let's do the same thing for Silver Tempest now. Let's get it. Darkness, Dragonair, Venomoth, Wallace, Marini, Indeedee, Baltoy, Sunkern, Clink, Reverse Spinda, lame, Cobalion. That is fine though, because this might be the largest pile of pulls we have had on this channel in a random opening, or any opening, ever. Ever. Thank you so much, Dustin. I appreciate it. That's amazing. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. At 100 subscribers, we're going to have another giveaway. I can talk. Oh, I'm still excited from these polls. That was awesome. Thank you so much, Dustin, and I will see you on the flip side.